In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a limit order on NinjaTrader 8. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your chart inside NinjaTrader. So you can either have it full screen like I just had it, or you can have it like this. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to full screen it for you right now. And then you want to click on this button up top, which basically pulls up the chart trader. And you want to click on the chart trader again, which will basically open up this trading panel on the right. Now, to actually place a limit order here, what you can do is you can just go above or below the chart, and then of course you can select the price you want. So for example, over here, right click, and here you can see it's going to say buy limit. Okay, so of course you can also sell stop limit over here, or if you go above, you can sell limit or basically buy stop limit again. Okay, so that's how you can do it with the press of a right click on your chart, and then you'll be able to see it's going to show you at what price you're currently located, and you can go ahead and place a limit order. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.